Togetherness. Very good evening. My name is Gombelmos. I am the PRO for Lango Province. We were supposed to be so many of us here today, but unfortunately, our mobilizer in charge finance lost a brother whose burial is also today. We thought it wise that we could come, the few of us who could, and may I request the few who came from Lango, please kindly step forward. These are the fans and a few leaders of the Lango Province team. The guys you see in green. They're not going to speak. But allow me, when I was standing here, I just drafted a small note that I want to pass to the mourners and to everyone. Reverend Father, we have learned from history that we learn nothing from history. And the solution is innovative approach to life. Politics, boundaries, and even religion has divided our people. The generation that we are in is trying to find solutions to problems that history has failed even to explain to us. Meaning, our world is one, our problems are similar, and the body of waters that separate us is not deeper than the blood that connects us as human beings, one people under God. We must therefore work together to find approach and appropriate solutions. This reminds me of the day I was introduced to jazz music. I am a radio presenter and I love jazz music. Jazz music has a complex expression of deep and potentialities through the unknown. But together, each instrument plays a different but complementary role to produce a symphony and rhythm of success. But a little boy one day lit 4 candles. And the candles were burning brightly, and darkness was chased away. After a short while, a little wind blew, and the first candle went out. The first candle, the boy had called it peace. When the candle of peace is out, there is trouble. Then the second candle said, in the absence of peace, I cannot survive. It also went out. The second candle, the boy had called it love. When the candle of love is out, the world is in trouble. The third candle said, there is no need for me to live now. It also went out. The candle, the boy had called it faith. We lose faith so easily in what we believe in the absence of peace and love. The boy went back in the room and found out the 3 candles were not burning. He started crying. But one that was still burning said, young man, while I am still burning, pick me and light the rest. The 4th candle, the boy called it hope. So the boy picked the burning candle, that is hope, lit peace, lit love, and lit faith. All of us gathered here, your story and my story is the story of hope. And to the family, the last thing that we should ever lose in this life is hope. I know that Raymond has gone to a better place. May his story, my story, and your story be a story of hope, of unity, of breaking the political barriers and breaking all the chains that have been keeping our people apart to deliver the services that we need. Sports infrastructure is surely needed now than ever before. Just maybe, we wouldn't be here today if we had a better sports infrastructure in terms of a stadium. All this happened because for the love of the game, we wanted to watch the game. And by so doing, the unthinkable befell. I want to thank so much Honorable Atan here in your presence. He is a leader that all their takers should be praying that the God that we serve should give more of their thanks. To our people and the young people of my generation, we have not inherited this world from our forefathers. But rather, we are borrowing from the future. And we don't know what the future holds for us. Since we don't know what tomorrow says, that means all that we have is hope, hope, and hope for a better tomorrow. I'll conclude by a short story. Football is one of those instruments that has proved to us and to the world that indeed we can live together, mend the historic and non-differences, and create connections and cohesions amongst our people. Let Raymond's death be a testament and demand to our people to unite with leadership taking the lead. As the main celebrant said, we come here to ease the pain, to share the pain, and to condole with the family, to show that through football we can bind together, create friendship, and unite our people. None of us here, never of these people in green, couldn't imagine being here today had it not been because of football. That is why soon we shall meet Sorot again for the Tekre Cup of Nations. A competition that brings together every people of our shared heritage, breaking the political borders and uniting our people as one. That's in the spirit of football. To the political leaders, let us endeavor to deliver. We came together with a sum of 800,000 shillings that we want to hand over to the winner. But since I told you that our team, they are also in for some barrel,